The absolute toughest floor we make is Cali Vinyl Pro. It's a favorite among homeowners, but has also won over professional installers. That's probably due to its luxurious hardwood texturing and rich, mesmerizing color, full of depth and glowing with personality. Yeah, just joking. Contractors like this floor because it answers their two main concerns. How much does it cost, and how long will the project take? Regarding cost, Cali Vinyl Pro is extremely competitively priced. And when it comes to time and cost savings during installation, this LVP cuts days from your project before you even open a box. That's because its extra tough construction features a foundation of compressed limestone composite. This base, which we call GeoCore, doesn't expand or contract the way that wood does, so you can lay planks right out of the box with no need to acclimate. This makes it a one-step install, where a crew can unload and install on day one, freeing them up for other projects. Beyond that, this particular plank design, with its rapid I4F locking system, installs fast and can be floated without any glue or adhesives, which is another big time and money saver. Vinyl plank in general is the fastest growing segment in the flooring world, and Cali Vinyl Pro has become the go-to choice for multifamily residences, rental properties, commercial and hospitality spaces, and more. That's because it's waterproof, durable, and cheaper to maintain over the years because it's so easy to clean. And yes, it's also a really pretty product, full of depth and personality and all of that. Contact your Cali rep to get more info or to order samples, and you can also learn more at calibamboo.com.
Watch more Cali Trade videos.